This is the FFR Trading Market Minute. Again, a daily candlestick chart of the S&P 500 or SPY. Interesting week. So we had an explosive move higher. All right, we talked about the divergence where we had prices moving higher in the SPY here, but the oscillator or the RSI here not making a new high or not following the price. We had bearish divergence. And you can see it did slow the market up, but we have not gotten that pullback. There's that gap to fill back here. You've got some moving average support there, and the market has not been able to come down. My thoughts on that are, you see how the RSI is back to the moving average here. If it does cross and we get a close where the RSI is closed above the moving average, look out for whatever the high is on that day. If it's today or tomorrow, we'll see. If that high gets taken out, I do think we make a run, take out the all-time high or prior all-time high, and maybe tag this 570 level in the SPY. If they're not able to, if we just continue to kind of go sideways here and we can't get across there, or it fails to break whatever the high is there, right, then I think the odds are still in the favor of a pullback, filling this gap, getting back into this moving average support here. I mean, we certainly due for a pullback, but you can see the market just refuses to pull back here. Typically, you kind of see this consolidation of behavior ahead of a Fed meeting sometimes, where the market is waiting for that piece of news. But that Fed meeting, it's in September, but won't start till the 17th, so midway through the month. We don't typically see the market slow down like that far ahead of a Fed meeting. So we'll see. Watch those two components, and if we get a close back above, the RSI closes back above its moving average, whatever the high is on that day that it closes, that gets taken out. I think we do take out the all-time high and run up to this probably 570 level. Right? If it fails to be able to do that, right, maybe eventually we do get to fill this gap back down here. Right? So it's kind of a coin flip at this point. Economic data set for release. Tuesday's ISM manufacturing PMI. Thursday we'll have the services PMI. Friday, the big non-farm payrolls report, average hourly earnings. Hope that helps. Have a great rest of your trading week. We'll see you back next week in the FFR Trading Market Minute.